Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be reaching into our SheModern vault and pulling out some decals. SheModern no longer makes said decals, but I have them. A lot of us still do. And I want to do on the ring finger a present, the ribbon for a present. Trying to, as you see me over here messing with the water bottle and the decals, I'm trying to saturate my decals. And the lines want to curl. So I'm trying to saturate those, but they want to curl up. So, guess I'm going to let them curl and I'll jump over to the nails. We've got 5 nails. I've got some red polish here. Of course it's gel, soak off, and it's by the Shine. I don't know if I got these off Amazon or AliExpress. I'm really not sure. I've got my top coat that I use for glitter out, which is an old bottle of Ideal Beauty. So we're going to top coat these, put them in the lamp, give them a full cure, and we will be applying the decals. This is a beautiful manicure. I love the red sparkly nails. I think they are beautiful at Christmas time. Beautiful. So go check out SheModern here on YouTube as well as Instagram and Facebook. You can look them up under Creative Nail Art, SheModern, or you can just type in SheModern and they still should pop up. I just love this. It's a stunning, stunning glitter. And it is hollow. Hollow, baby. Hollow, Erica. And anybody who's their first time here hearing me do that must think I'm a little bonkers, but a good friend of mine, Nail Crazy Mama, that is her little girl, Erica. She loves when I say hello. So that's why I do it. It tickles her, so it tickles me. So I'm putting a nice glossy top coat on these, nice and thick. It makes everything just pop. It's beautiful. So we're on to our last and final nail. Putting my top coat on, dabbing it around. Trying to get a good thick coat on here. There we go. I be finito. I'm gonna pop these in the lamp. Give them a full cure. Alrighty, okay, well, here we are. They're all top coated. Aren't those stunning? A nice red hollow. Hollow for Christmas. So I'm gonna take my blue Central Gel by SheModern. All SheModern products here today. I'm taking the ring finger and I'm going to apply. And I'll be putting this in the lamp for 30. Off here to the side, on the decals we are using 2 different sets. The other I don't have out. These are bows. They are red and hollow, which is what we're using as the hollow. For the lines for the present, you can take this strip here off the side. Just cut that off. And there's your strip for the present. You got your bow right here, which I took and I scored all the way around my decal. Our nails are not flat. They are curved. The decals are flat, so you must score them so that they lay on the nail correctly. I have got my Ice Cube stamper by Maniology. This is an old one that I use strictly for stud projects. I don't use it for stamping. So we are going to go in with our longer line. We gotta line this up correctly somehow. The line is longer than the stamper. There we go. I'm going to get my scissors. I'm going to trim her up. Now I'm going for the smaller line. Sometimes the backing comes up with. Just slide her off. Then we're going to take our smaller line, put that across the nail, but not on mine. And trim the excess. I have to have the volume up on my phone. I'm sorry if it's bothering anybody, but my mother is staying with us now. She was discharged yesterday from a physical rehab center. She broke her leg 3 months ago and needs to fully recover first before she can go home to her apartment. And she is here with us. So now we are going to apply the bow. I probably should put another layer of glue gel on, just to cover where the bow is going to be. Just make sure it sticks. And I'll pop this in the lamp for 30. We have our finished manicure at hand. Oh, it's getting framed here. We have our finished manicure, our one beautiful bow nail, our present, and our one Swarovski crystal in the center of the ribbon. Thank you, Carla Sola, for my Swarovskis. They are beautiful and I greatly appreciate, honey. I can't say thank you enough. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell, click all. Give the video a thumbs up. Lets me know the content you see was liked, you enjoyed the video, it helps my algorithms. I am an ambassador for SheModern. My code is NailedIt67, all in caps. So go to SheModern.com. Check out their catalog, use my code at checkout, and save yourself 10% off your bill. And why not? Who doesn't want to save 10%, you know? I don't know. Well, this is the end. We will see you next Saturday. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.